Homer stands outside the Springfield nuclear plant as alarms blare, suddenly unemployed for the moment. Marge consoles him, promising family meals can replace his lost paycheck with unity and hope. Homer grumbles, but Bart's prankster energy lures him toward a community cookout at the Quickie Mart. Simultaneously, Lisa researches local hunger relief, mapping resources, and demanding evidence-based solutions for Springfield families. In Moe's, Barney offers free roasts, accidentally roasting his own dignity aloud again to everyone. Homer discovers a neighborhood potluck will be hosted, inviting everyone, including Chief Wiggum and Apu. Act 1 ends with Marge orchestrating kitchen chaos toward a unified family feast this evening. Main plot thread: Homer loses job, subplots emerge, Lisa's advocacy, Apu's business, Bart's prank plans. Marge dials Mrs. Crabapple for support, hoping Lisa's curriculum can anchor family resilience during turmoil. Homer complains about unemployment, but visual gag shows him chasing a donut advertisement across town. In Town Square, Mayor Quimby announces a Springfield-wide charitable drive, igniting neighborhood pride and compassion. Homer finds a used oven for cost-saving cooking, contributing to family feast while neighbors smile. Bart trains Santa's little helper to fetch ingredients, mimicking Homer's jobless optimism and family hope. Lisa leads a community board meeting at Springfield Library, advocating equitable meals for all neighbors. Meanwhile, the plant's security guard Carl volunteers, promising shift coverage if Homer returns to work. At the cookout, chaos erupts as rain floods the makeshift dining hall, forcing hasty rearrangements. Homer accidentally volunteers to grill, burning sausages. Bart films, adding comedic panicked energy for laughter. Lisa negotiates with store owners for discounts, while Maggie provides silent yogurt diplomacy to peacemakers everywhere. Mr. Burns visits the meal, but his charity speech collapses into a cringing corporate promo. Homer helps deliver meals on a grocery cart, the crowd hilariously cheering his impromptu parade. Conflict peaks as power flickers, the oven fails, ruining the key family dish before feast. Springfield statue of Jebediah cracks, symbolizing fractured town spirit, while Maggie giggles and toddler glasses. Homer staggers into kitchen, declaring a toast to family, but burns bread dough in front. Lisa uses the burnt loaf as protest art, critiquing complacent nutrition myths while cameras wink. Bart's prank explodes into a confetti shower during a grand reconciliation scene at the diner. Community volunteers clean up. Mayor Quimby announces winners for Best Family Meal Initiative as Springfield cheers. Homer realizes job loss mattered less than shared plates, stories, and meaningful glances between siblings. Resolution montage shows Homer re-emerging with bakery job, new purpose, as family weaves memories around. The entire Simpson clan gathers at dinner, Springfield cheers, sharing plates and renewed trust tonight. Closing gag recaps callbacks, dough, donuts, crusty clutching coupons, everyone hugs, hopeful for the future.